the point command in GardenCAD is a much underutilized command. Imagine that we wanted to center a circle in this zone through here, and we wanted it to be a certain distance away from the walls here. It's draw, point. You use points as aids to construction, so we can set a point at the end of either of those lines. And can you see that as we're moving away here, we could type 19 for the number of units away from the corner. But what we've done is set a point there, and that point can be put on a layer that is non-printing, and you can change a value to indicate so that the indicator doesn't actually show. So now we have a point. Once we have a point, we could, for the sake of argument, go circle radius. It's asking us for a center point, so we could O-snap to that point. Points are called nodes, so we jump to that point, and we can simply type our value, and it might have a radius, that circle, of 10 units in this particular case. So it's a very, very useful command. It can be also used when you're using the line command. So here's a line running at 45 degrees. If I wanted to come back off without turning the grid on and rotating and so on, I could simply set a point. So it's draw, point at the end of that line. So I'll snap to the end of that line. Now I can head off in at 90 degrees to that line. See, there's my little flyer. I could come 12 units in that direction. Now I have a point that is at right angles to that line and 12 units away. I could set another point. We could snap to the same node, and we could come across here and run across, say, 20 units. Now we have 2 points 20 units apart that was originally at right angles there, so it's draw, say, a circle with 2 points, and we could snap to there and there. So there's our circle located really accurately. Can you see that those points, or using the point command, is a very, very useful construction tool that you should use when you're laying out your design work?